Look, come on, let's go to the game room, you guys.
The video's on.
I know.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Like, oh my god. He's gonna die.
Oh, it's very good. I make sure I do my homework before I play video games.
It's called a heart attack. Just take it easy. Boyfriend part 2.
We need a beer thing.
Brendan.
Where's the beer bottle? No beer bottle. Don't die. Why you're turning red? It's going to eventually inside Brendan's mouth. Take a picture.
There's not a whole lot in there, I'm sorry.
It's like a fisheye lens.
Oh, you just stabbed him in the eye.
So what happens if you take a picture?
No.
Don't lick it. It's not food.
Lollipop. The camera wants the lollipop. Let's go play Frisbee in the dark.